What you're looking at is a 750-pound capacity engine stand that I bought from Harbor Freight in San Bernardino, California. Let's see, 750-pound engine stand, sturdy design with heavy-duty casters, 4 adjustable arms for easy engine block mounting, lever handle for trouble-free 360 engine rotation on the stand. Specifications: weight capacity 750 pounds, faceplate dimensions. Yeah, I'll put a picture of it right now, and then overall dimensions. Compact, stable, easy to maneuver, heavy duty, all steel construction. So let's see what I got here. Item number is 61238 from Harbor Freight. I saw a video online where a guy put a big block engine on here, and he said that since there were so many holes put into the backing plate that it was actually bending where these holes were. But I think he just put too much, he put too big of an engine on this little tiny engine stand. You should have just upgraded to the bigger engine stand, because they have bigger engine stands than the 750-pound one. So if you have a big engine, don't be a cheapskate and buy a tiny one when you actually need a big one. Just so you know, I am not sponsored by Harbor Freight. They did not send this to me for free. I actually went out and paid my hard-earned money for this. They didn't send this to me. Anything else in there? Nothing else? Alright, here's all your hardware that you need to put this thing together. It doesn't look like it's too hard. Here are the instructions, the instructions. I'll scan this and put a link in the description below so you guys can see, but it's not very hard at all. Figure A, attach post to middle beam. Figure B, attach wheels and casters. Figure C, attach mounting plate and handle. Figure D, install mounting arms and lock rotation. I almost thought about painting this thing yellow, but ain't got time for that. Nobody got time for that. One thing I like to do before I do any project, and this started back when I was a little kid and I would build model rockets, I'd always place all the parts out that I knew I had, or place all the parts out that came with the kit, and just made sure everything was there before I got started, because the worst thing in the world is to get started on a project and it's supposed to come with the parts that you need and you find out you don't have them. I do this with IKEA. When my wife buys something from IKEA and I have to put it together, I do that as well. Without further ado, let's get this thing put together. And lever, I can talk today. Lever handle. lever